fast mode. And go from here. Alright guys, this is the strongest wind. Woo! Just taking a video of it. You can see he's staying in one area. Is moving like crazy, and he still managed to fly. Wow. Not even affecting it. Can your $100 drone do this? So that's about you guys can see, very steady in the extremest wind. Wow. Look at that level. So it's videoing me right now. Flag. Woo! Look at how the video stabilized. Wow. That's amazing. So I'm not even in a fast mode, and it still does it. So just letting you guys know. Woo! Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in fast mode and go from here. Flag or tello? Which one move more? Flag or tello?